To do the lying triceps extension, lie down on the bench, create an arch on the lower back, place your feet flat on the floor, raise your arms over your head and bring it down to your forehead and extend. Once more. Once more. Lie down on the bench, feet flat on the floor, arch on the lower back, extend your arm over your head, arm, and repeat. Now with the barbell. Raise the bar over your head. Bring it down to your forehead. Almost touch the forehead, but do not touch the forehead. Almost touch the forehead. One thing to remember is not to flare out the elbows completely. You have to keep the elbows facing vertically up towards the ceiling and repeat the process. And that's how you do the lying triceps extension.